You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the capital city of the southern Indian state of Kerala. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing names of cities in India and famous places. How do you say it? Thiruvananthapuram. Thiruvananthapuram. Easy once you know, although I mean it's a bit of a mouthful, but it's fairly easy once you know. Thiruvananthapuram. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support. More videos for you here to love more correct pronunciation. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.